Rahul Mehra must answer that. You know, that's a very legitimate and reasonable thing that the former police commissioner is saying. Let guilt get established. Kejriwal is jumping up and down demanding suspension even when guilt hasn't been established. And if the SHOs were wrong, what Somnath Bharti did was equally wrong. No action is taken against him. Kejriwal protects his own but demands action against the others.
Rahul, very valid questions, and I'm glad that you're raising these questions on your show. Two questions have been raised by Captain Gopinath. I would like to address both of them. Number one, why not the same standards for Somnath Bharti? The reason for that is there are two different instances and you can't equate both of them. In the one case, the inquiry is against whom? Against the people who are sitting over material, information, evidence, and it is directly under the control of the people where the incidents took place, which is the SHOs and the inspectors of that particular area. On the other hand, there is a minister, and we have seen how the Delhi government is completely powerless and has no control over the police. Even if he wants to
this is not about whether the government is powerless or not. The question over here,
number one,
Rahul Mehra, the problem is you never answer the question. You never answer the question. The question is not about whether the government is powerless or not. The question is that Yogendra Yadav in the press conference said that Somnath Bharti went overboard. He should not have indulged in a racist attack. He made several comments which are very derogatory, and he had no business ordering policemen around in the manner that he did. He overreached himself. Now why not take action and pull up Somnath Bharti as well? Why demand action only against the cops? Rahul Mehra, answer just this question.
Rahul, I don't understand why a seasoned journalist like you is so anxious today. Kindly hear me out, Rahul, please. I was coming to that, the second part of my of the answer.
No, come straight to my question. Don't go off on a tangent. Come straight to the question.
I'm sorry, I'm going to address and answer the way I want to address, not the way you want to listen to it and the way you want to hear it. So please have some patience. Rahul, the question is very important. The question is that we are not power hungry over controlling the police of Delhi. What we want to do is, we want to get police under the control of the state government like every other state of India. And please don't tell us we don't have that right to do so just because we are Aam Aadmis. And number two, the same Supreme Court has said in catalog of judgments over the last 50 years that investigation is the prerogative.
No, why should the same logic not be applied? Rahul Mehra, why should the same logic not be applied? That the SHOs be transferred or suspended? Let Somnath Bharti also be suspended pending investigation. Hasn't a case been lodged against him as well?
He makes women urinate in public.
So the case has been lodged and the investigation will happen by an agency. The case has been lodged, investigations will go by an agency which is at loggerhead with the Delhi government, which is the Delhi police, and I'm sure they will collect every material and every evidence to take Somnath Bharti to the gallows.
That's very convenient logic. I want to put that question both. That is very, very convenient logic, Rahul Mehra. Shiv Vishwanathan and Ambassador KC saying, is there not a parallel? You demand that SHOs be transferred or suspended. Should Somnath Bharti also not be suspended pending inquiry? There's a case against him now.
May I make two statements? First, let's take this. This event is not as stupid as it sounds. I think what Kejriwal did is to show that a week can be a long time in politics because 15 years was too short for the Congress. I think that first thing I got to show is he managed to show that you can empower people.
No, but you're not answering my question.
Wait, I'm coming to the second. Wait, let me finish the second question. This is not one of Rahul Mehra's better days. Look, the law minister is a lemon. If he has to be suspended, let him be suspended.
Why hasn't that happened?
No, just a minute. I think one of the corrective processes here is you're not just bringing the police to question, you are actually also forcing the entire Kejriwal cabinet to face up to certain...
No, but they're not facing. Rahul Mehra is in denial, Kejriwal is in denial.
Just because they're in denial right now doesn't mean they do not have to face up to the issue. There is something called the rule of law. If the law minister has made a mistake, he'll have to answer for it.
No, but he's not answering for it. His boss is not pulling him out.
No, he's not, because everyone is being a bit carried away by the kind of politics taking place.